Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm back to work in my B6 Stalogy. I'll be doing the September 2022 monthly setup. The Stalogy is a notebook that is in this raspberry leather cover from MLG Co. The information for MLG Co will be linked in the description box below. So I did plan ahead in this planner, or this notebook that I'm using as a planner. I showed several different layouts that you can do in pretty much any notebook for your weekly spreads. So when I did those examples, I just planned ahead. So this is where I am as far as the layouts and plans for those. This is the current week. Well, this is the last day of the current week. So this is next week. It's already laid out, set up, and ready to go. So September starts Thursday. I could have put September's page here as far as the title page. I didn't do that for August. Once I started doing those layouts, I just kept going, and I didn't even skip any pages to do a title page for August. So I'm going to have one for September, I do believe. So I went ahead and put the tab here. I also had missed putting the August tab, so I added that, added September, and we were just going to start with the September pages here. So I'm going to skip those for when I get ready to do the next week. But for now, we are going back to the front where our monthlies are, and this is the September monthly. This was August, so a little bit went on. This is where I started having problems when I added the inserts into the notebook, where it kind of got wrinkled up a little bit. Okay, enough about that. So I'm going to be doing kind of a fallish spread, even though we are really not in fall around here yet. But I'm going to use some fall type colors. I'm going to use some of these doll stickers from CHELA Creates, I think, for this. I have a bunch of different sizes. And I may use some of these florals as well. Let's see. Yeah, so that's going to stop there. I think right off the bat, I like this flower here. So let's see if we can do something with that. Just kind of do it like that in the middle of the page. That's also going to help reinforce the binding where I cut the spine of this notebook. I'll link to that video in the iCard so you can see what I actually did. I like this little pot. I also like the butterfly too. It might be a little too big. Let's hold off on that. I'm gonna grab my holidays and seasonal sticker storage and see if I can find a September sticker yet. These are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons, so you can easily go back and get these if you are a patron. And I think I need something that says 2022. These were all for 2021, but they can still be used. Here we go. Let's grab one of these. Let's go back to just the dolls. And I guess the butterfly can go up here, since those boxes are basically empty. Let's play around with these. So this says bright days. I think I want to put that over here in the sidebar. think that is enough of the deco. Okay, so I've received 2 packages of washi tape from Simply Gilded that I have yet to open. But this is both of these have zodiac washi in them. This one is Virgo. I believe this one was Leo. And I think I got a freebie with this one, which is the paisley, the fall paisley. And I may already have this from last year because I think I got the fall paisleys, but I'm just going to go ahead and open this one and use it now. It's a little sticky, icky. All right, because it kind of goes with the look. So let's do it. My September is kind of in the way. It's a little off because when I put down the insert, I didn't get it quite straight, but it'll be fine. Let's stop this about here. Stop this about here so we don't interfere with that rounded corner. Okay. So there is that. That washi looks lonely. Let's add a little bit down here. So I guess that's pretty much it. The yellow is kind of throwing me off a little bit. Let's see what I have in florals to kind of go with that look. So I don't really want to use my sunflowers, not yet. So I think I'll use these wildflowers. These are from the seasonal pages. And I think mixing those in could work. I'm not too crazy about it, but it'll do for now. For September. September is kind of a dull month to me. I've already actually filled in some of the information for September and October actually. I think for October, I'm already looking forward to it because of Halloween, but I think where I have been doing weekly layouts for the last few months, I'm going to go back to doing dailies maybe in October because that will give me a chance to use all my decorative stuff and have fun for Halloween. So maybe I'll go back to dailies for that. But this is September. So let me know in the comments what you think. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.